Understanding Welding Mask, a tool for safety. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, welding mask. Whether you're a beginner in English or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's dive into the world of protective gear and learn why this term is vital in certain professions. A welding mask is a type of headgear used when performing certain types of welding to protect the eyes, face, and neck from flash burn, ultraviolet light, sparks, infrared light, and heat. Welders use this mask to prevent arc eye, a painful condition where the cornea is inflamed. The mask's darkened glass also allows welders to see the intensely bright arc safely. Welding masks come in different shapes and designs, but they all have a few key components. The filter lens, this is what welders look through. It's specially made to protect eyes from the intense light. The shell, this is the outer part of the mask, designed to deflect sparks and protect the face and neck. The headgear, this allows the mask to be adjusted and secured on the welder's head. There are mainly two types of welding masks. Passive welding masks. These have a dark tinted glass that does not change. Auto-darkening welding masks. These have a lens that automatically darkens as soon as the welding arc is struck. Welding masks are crucial for safety. They protect from eye damage, from ultraviolet and infrared rays, skin burns, from sparks and heat, long-term health risks, like respiratory problems from inhaling fumes. We hope this video has illuminated the importance and functionality of a welding mask. Remember, safety comes first, and knowing about such equipment is essential for professional development and personal well-being. Stay safe, keep learning, and see you in the next video.